So guys, if you want to convert this presentation into the Google slide, the step you want to follow is go to your Chrome tab, open the Google Drive option, and then click on the new button, then click on the upload. Okay, and file upload. Okay, then select the file that you want to convert it to the Google slide. Okay, then open it. Yeah, I have already uploaded it, but you will upload. Okay, you will see that here the file is uploading. When your file is uploaded, you can edit it and change everything, and this will be the full editable file. Okay, let's double click it. You can see that it is already converted into the Google slides. So here is your Google slide is ready, and it's you can see that this is editable. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.